Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this yummy reindeer chow. Some people call it Muddy Buddies, some people call it Puppy Chow. Either way, it is absolutely delicious and one of my favorite Christmas desserts. This is a great gift to give to people as like a homemade Christmas gift. I always love doing that, especially like when you're on a budget and you have a ton of people to buy for. It's great to just make a big batch of this and give it out. So let's get started. Start by adding a few cups of water into a double boiler, and then into the top, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. This is on medium-low heat. Then we're gonna add in 6 tablespoons of salted butter and allow this to melt completely. You can stir it a few times just to help it a little bit. After this is melted entirely, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, some peanut butter, and stir this up until nice and smooth. Next, separate the rice checks into 2 large bowls. We're gonna pour half of the chocolate into one and half into the other. This just helps us so we can really incorporate that chocolate mixture throughout the Chex Mix. After that, you're just gonna use the spatula to really toss around the chocolate so that every single Chex is coated with yummy peanut butter chocolate. Make sure you do both bowls. You wanna work a little bit quick just so that you can make sure that the chocolate stays nice and melted, and then you can add it all into just one bowl. Next, I like to put parchment paper out on my countertop. And then I just dump the reindeer chow all over the parchment paper. This just helps it to cool a little bit quicker. And then I add my powdered sugar. And this, you just add all over it. It sticks really good to the chocolate. And you wanna make sure you get all the sides, so use your hands to spread it out and then add more powdered sugar. We want to wait just a few minutes until they're all the way cooled before adding our M&Ms in. So good. That's a wrap on this reindeer chow recipe. I hope you decide to make it. This one's so yummy and it's so easy to make, and the kids absolutely go crazy over it. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make it, and if you're looking for more holiday recipes, make sure to check out my Crescent roll cinnamon rolls and my peanut butter cookies that I just posted over the last couple weeks. Thanks so much for being here, and consider subscribing so we can keep cooking together. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.